Ever wondered how the UK actually chooses its MPs? The system is called First Past the Post, and you'll understand it perfectly in the next few minutes. First Past the Post, or FPTP, is the voting system used to elect MPs to the House of Commons. The candidate with the most votes in each area wins, even if they don't get more than half. Here are the 3 things you need to know. The UK is divided into 650 constituencies. Each area elects one MP to represent them in Parliament. Voters choose one candidate. You put a single X next to the person you want to win. The candidate with the most votes wins the seat. They don't need a majority, just more votes than anyone else. For example, imagine a constituency where the results are like this. Candidate A gets 40%, Candidate B gets 35%, and Candidate C gets 25%. Candidate A wins, even though 60% of voters chose someone else. That's how First Past the Post works. So why does this matter for your GCSE? Because exam questions often ask you to explain how First Past the Post works, or give advantages and disadvantages. If you can describe constituencies, 1 vote per person, and most votes wins, then you'll get a good score. So a quick recap. The UK has 650 constituencies. You vote for 1 candidate. Whoever gets the most votes wins the seat. That's First Past the Post. Simple, fast, and exam ready. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.